is an ongoing discussion that people, researchers, and scientists argue over. I am here today to convince you that personality develops from your environment. Our personalities are very malleable when we are young, but as we grow older, we are accountable for the experiences we encounter, and which makes up our own personality. Our personality can be manipulated when we are young. It's easy to see what our parents do and do the same thing. In this way, it requires no thinking, just actions from what we know how to do things. I will be discussing the environmental factors, the genetic factors, and case studies shown on families, twins, and adopted children's personality development. As we grow older, we encounter experiences only ourselves can judge. By deciding what to do ourselves, we find out if we are extroverts or introverts, and many other personality traits. The more experiences we go through, the easier it is to determine our personality. Through self-experience, we generate our own ideas, beliefs, and values. Environment has a big influence on a child's future. For example, if a child grows up in a supportive home, they are more than likely going to grow up to be a go-getter and a hard worker, according to Michael Cross, a child psychologist. For those who believe genes make up a personality, it's hard to tell, because it plays a small role in developing our personality. Genes determine temperament, activity level, emotion, and social life. According to DNA's influence on temperament, genes that make up a personality are hard to isolate and determine. There is no way to know for sure what genes make up a personality. In fact, it's so hard to find that the best example of it is a single grain of sand on a beach. Heredity plays a very small role in personality development because genes are so hard to find and determine. Scientists conduct studies on families in order to find relatedness in a personality. This is one of many steps when identifying a personality in heredity. Twin studies are also a very big factor when indicating a personality. Twins share 50% of their genes, and identical twins share 100%. This makes it easy to determine if personality is hereditary based. Studies have shown that with twins, 23% of heredity make up their personalities. Identical twins are at a 46%. This shows proof that heredity can have an influence on personality, according to Michael Cross, a child psychologist. Another study is based on adopted children. Because adopted children are in a different environment from their biological parents, this is a good study to show that environment is a very big influence on personality development. Adopted children have a different life than what their biological parents would have given them. Some adopted children have the same demeanor as their biological parents, but for the most part, they develop their personality by their current surroundings. So far, we discovered that with twin studies, personalities can be heredity-based. With adopted children, it can be environmental-based. We can conclude that heredity can make up a small portion of a personality. Unless you are an identical twin, it's hard to determine. For the majority of people, environment is what creates a personality, through self-experience, lifestyle, and surroundings. What do you think makes up a personality, heredity or environment?